This video tutorial is to show you how to download and install Openshot, which is the simple light video editor for Windows 7, 8, 10, Mac OS 10.9 or later, and Linux. So you see I've got my browser open. What we need to do is go to the Openshot website. So you can type in openshot.org. Make sure that it's on Openshot here. There are a few others that will try and make you download other things. And we want to click on to download. So we click on download. So for the most part, you guys will be wanting the Windows 64-bit installer. If you're on Mac, you can click the OXX downloads. If you're on Linux, click the Linux downloads. For those on Linux, you'll need to check what flavor of Linux you're using against what's available. But for here, we're going to assume that you're on Windows, so we're going to download version 2.5.1. Once you click the button here, depending on your browser, you'll get a prompt at the bottom here. What you want to do is click Save. You can see it's downloading now. Once it's downloaded, we're going to view the download. Just bear with it for just a moment. Rightio, so it's running the security scan, everything should be there, and then you click on Open Folder. So you can see my Openshot installer file is there in my Downloads folder. So I'm simply going to double click it, wait for a moment for it to open up. You may be asked a security prompt if you want to run it. Please click Yes. So here you can choose your language. For the purpose of this video, we're going to use British English. Click OK. Your standard terms and agreements. If you don't accept those terms and agreements, you can't use the software. So click I accept the agreement. Click Next. This is the standard path where you want to install it. If you did want to install it somewhere else, click the Browse button and select where you wanted to put it. For example, if you wanted to put it on a different drive. But for now, we're going to install it in the standard place. It's going to take 430.1 megabytes of free space. So click Next. I want to create a desktop icon so I can easily get to it. This needs to be ticked for the OSP file extension, and you need to add an exception to the Windows firewall to allow it to run. So click Next, and then Install. Once it installs, it should auto start. So, Launch Openshot Video Editor is automatically ticked, so I click Finish. I'll just take a moment, and the video editor has opened on my other monitor, will open like this. How to use the video editor and how to put together your videos will be covered in a separate tutorial.